Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. This week, we're continuing our discussion about Tuckman. Now, if you haven't seen our forming and storming videos, you can check those out over on our YouTube channel or any of our other socials. But today, we're going to cover norming. During the norming stage, your individual employees are going to start to shift their energy to the team's goals. They start to understand their roles and mesh with their fellow employees to achieve the overall goal of the process that you wanted to implement. Now, as a leader, you truly know your team now, but following up should still be at the very top of your list. Always inspect what you expect. Join us next week when we discuss performing. But if you can't wait for more content like this, we have a bunch of these videos on all of our social pages. Now, continue to share these with your peers and your friends, and keep reaching out to us if you need help or fresh eyes on an issue. We would love to help. And as always, we can't wait to see you.